Engine fails to turn. On receiving the start order, if the pressure in starting air receiver is too low, the engine fails to turn. Check if the compressors are working properly. Check if any starting air system valve is shut. Open the valve. If the starting air distributor is malfunctioning, identify and rectify the fault. Disengage the turning gear if it is engaged. If the interlock switch is defective, replace it. Defective starting air valves in cylinder cover create problem in starting. Pressure test the valves. Replace or overhaul the defective valves. Engine does not reverse. The engine will not reverse if the corresponding control air signal fails to reach the engine. Find the defective component which blocks the signal. Repair or replace the component. Engine stops. Engine turns on starting air. But if the engine stops on receiving order to run on fuel, it means that engine has shut down. Check the parameters and identify the reasons for the shutdown. Rectify and reset shutdown. Sluggish maneuvering gear stops the engine. Lubricate the maneuvering gear. Ensure that the fuel pumps, rod connections, and bearings are movable. Check if the governor is malfunctioning. Identify and rectify the fault. Engine runs unevenly. Engine runs unevenly if the auxiliary blower does not run. It happens when the engine runs at a low speed. Start the auxiliary blowers. Check if the filter is clogged. Clean the filter. Increase the fuel pressure if it is too low. If one or more cylinders are not firing, check whether the fuel is injected into the cylinders. Check the fuel pump and fuel injectors for proper functioning.